Hello everyone, today I'm making candy orange slices. Those look like stained glass and even better, sweet, chewy, aromatic, and they're good for you. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. So let's dive right in. I have 4 oranges here, about 800 grams, 2 pounds, less than 2 pounds. And I put in the water with a little salt, like just 1 tablespoon. And you cook it until it's boiled like this, about 5 minutes. You can see that the water now is orangey. That's because it's released the oil from the skin. That make slices less bitter because the oil in the skin tend to make them bitter. Now I slice them into slices about 2 up to 3 millimeter. I mean about 1/8 of an inch. You don't want too thick and you don't want too thin. If it's too thin, it's broke while we are making them. And too thick is difficult for coating the sugar and too much for a bite. So with those amount of slices of the 4 oranges, I use 350 grams of sugar and 35 grams of corn syrups, and I soak the slices and I leave them overnight. I want very good coated very well, so I can prepare today, left there overnight, and the next day you can see the water released from the orange, but I will add like a half cups or so of water. I want the level of the water higher than the slices. I want the slices are well soaked and coated. You notice that I put a piece of ginger in there. I want to make it good, smell good with ginger, and ginger is also good for you, good for digestion. So first I bring them up to a boil because because at this point we still have a lot of water, so we don't worry about anything. I remove the scums that arise on top, and now I am basting. I let it go for a while, then later I will flip the bottom slices to top and the top to the bottom. I want them very well coated. When I have like a halfway, I saw the water evaporated about halfway through, I lower the heat, and I keep watching and basting. Remember, if you are watching my chiffon cake roll, I didn't show you how to make the slices. And here I promise that I show you somehow. So in this recipe, I stop right here and show you that midway through my cooking of the candy slices, the slices are soft enough and cooked enough so that I can remove them out, and I will use them in chiffon cake oranges. I don't know if you can understand what I say, but I mean that you don't keep cooking to the end. When we cooking to the end, that means we make candies. But when we make chiffon cakes, we just need some slices that are cooked with sugar, but not candies. The other day I couldn't show you how to make the slices in that video because the video is already long. I don't want to add more. So please be understandable, and if you don't understand what I mean, you can ask me. I'm trying to explain more. So now I continue cooking, and you can see the liquid evaporated. That's what when you done, you stop cooking. And I put my slices on the rack to dry. I like to air dry them, but if you don't want air dry them, you can put in the air fryer for the lowest temperature for about 6 hours. But I like air fryer or sun dry for a day, and that's it. Now you can store in the glass jar cover, and anytime you want snack. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.